This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It is lorShift back at it again with another banger video. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be deleting my catalytic converters on my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatpack, man. As you can see, we are under the car right now. Yes, this is a different type of intro. We are starting underneath of the vehicle. Anyways, I started to get some of the screws out, and yeah, it's not looking too good. We got some that broke on me. Both of these that literally fell completely out of the catalytic converter, and there's nothing holding it now. So I'm kind of struggling right now. I apologize if my voice sounds kind of crazy right now. I just got my tonsils taken out, so it's like kind of hard to talk. We still gonna get stuff done, feel me? This is gonna be the loudest scat on earth once I get these off. And yeah, let's get to it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because this will be a banger video. I'm not going to show y'all the process of how to take your cats off. Again, I already made a video like that before, so go check that out back when I had the RT. But yeah, it's not looking too good, man. We got some of the bolts breaking off. It looks like they welded a lot of shit under here. We ended up getting it off, so we just got to get these cats completely out of the catback exhaust, and we're good to gut them. So stay tuned to the end, like I said, and this will be a banger. Let me give y'all before cold start or remote start, and then I'm gonna give y'all after one, so stay tuned. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, I quit YouTube after this, bruh. I don't quit YouTube, but I quit working on cars, bro. This actually just pissed me off. How the hell does this happen, bro? Like, did they literally weld the bolts on because they knew I was gonna get this car and do this? Like, how does this happen? Like, none of the bolts screwed off. Like, it literally screwed the entire piece off. I mean, I'll try to fix it, but I don't think there's nothing I could really do. And if that's the case, then they're probably gonna be like this with a fat ass gat. So, I mean, it is what it is. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna just have to take it to an exhaust shop to somehow weld that together or some shit. I don't know, but I'm gonna get from under this car because I need to get these out. So I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get the cats out, and then I'm gonna gut them. And then yeah, well, I'm not gonna be gutting them. Matthew's gonna be gutting them. Yeah, I apologize. I'm kind of struggling to talk. I'm struggling to move. It's a lot of shit going on. There's cars driving by and shit. And if this car falls on me, I'm done. I'm relying on 2 jack stands right now. 2 weak ass jack stands. This shit falls, lorShift is over with. I'm gonna get these off real quick, and then I'm gonna get the sensors unplugged, and then we'll be good to go.
One eternity later.
After a long 2 to 3 hours of struggling and fighting and trying to find the right size bolts and socket sets, finally got the converters out. And now all we gotta do is gut them. As you can see, I done cut myself, I done messed myself up, bro. I feel like I broke my arm. Bro, these drones was a pain in the ass to get out compared to the Chargers, bro. The Challies, hard as shit to get out. We ended up getting them out somehow, some way. And yeah, let's get to gutting these drones out. Well, I won't be doing them, like I said. My boy Matthew will be gutting them out. So I'm gonna hand these converters to him, and then once they get done getting gutted out, he's gonna give them back to me, and then we're gonna put them on. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we pretty much got everything set up. We got the catalytic converters out of the car. We got the spacers and the converters, as you can see. Spacers in there for the O2 sensors. Feel me? Gotta space it out. Tight shit. And pretty much now what we're getting ready to do, we're getting ready to put the converter over top of this and knock out all the stuff on the inside. So I think it's called platinum. So we're getting ready to do that. And then pretty much they should be good to go to get thrown on. So set the camera up, do like a little time lapse. We gonna get this shit done, man. I don't know where lorShift is, but this is Matthew. He ended up giving me these converters, and I'm gonna do them. So we're gonna get this shit done, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, come on, come on. Ha, ha, bad. Go, let's do it. Come on. Teleporting bitches at my telly, I'm the only nigga. Liquor get the running through they system, bitches started kissing. Cold start my striker, hit the gas, this monster started hissing. I don't take it personal, keep it P shit, just call me pimpin'. Try and front your move for the net, the just.
Yo, so we got the sensors thrown on. Now it's time to throw these bitches on now, man. We got it all set up. Everything should be good to go. I don't know what's going on with these. I don't know how we're gonna get these bolts off, but they need to come off somehow. So I guess I'll just try to take these off in the meantime. But for now, actually, I'm gonna actually throw these cats on and then try to get these off so I can screw them back up. I think I think I'll have to get the cats on first, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. Got the camera once we get them thrown on, and then, yeah, this video ain't gonna be too long. If y'all want a tutorial on how to do this, go check out my last video. I'll put it in the description below, but not my last one, but the one when I had the RT and I got it out the cats and I gave y'all a tutorial. Go check out that video. But this ain't gonna be like a tutorial or a how-to type of video. This is gonna be a quick gutting out the cats and making my scat illegally loud. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I do not know how I managed to do this by myself, but I did it. You feel me? I'm Mr. Make It Happen. Anyways, we got the bolt screwed on. I do have to tighten them a little bit more. Got the sensors plugged in. We got sensor plugged in on this side, the bolt plugged in or tightened up right here. This was the one that broke right here, so I can't do nothing about this little gap. And then we got these tightened up, so the pipes are not moving. They're nice and secure. Like I said, I just got to tighten it up a little bit more right there and then we're good. But other than that, man, I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait to start this bitch. I'm not gonna cap. I don't know how I managed to do everything within like an hour or two, but we did it, man. I'm very proud of myself for doing this while I'm going through like surgery defects right now. Yeah, so we gonna get from under the car because I feel like I'm about to die, and we gonna get ready to start this bitch. Let's get it, y'all. Bear with me. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm struggling, bro. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, go subscribe to lorShift Vlogs. You'll see more of my personality on that channel. So yeah, I don't know what channel this is gonna be on. This might be on lorShift, I don't know. Once I get out of here, out from under here. All right, we're good.
The next day.
All right, y'all, so it's the next day, man. I didn't really want to show y'all too much because it started to get dark once I got done taking my cats off and shit. But I took my cats off, and here's the big reveal right here. I ain't gonna lie, this shit sounds crazy, insanely loud, bro. Like illegally loud, bro. Y'all gotta hear. Y'all ready? Yeah, I'm about to remote start this motherfucker right now. You ready? Hold on. Hold on. Cat delete. Hold on. Oh my god. This shit 10 times louder, bro. That shit said. This shit drunk. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Hold this real quick. We gotta give him a rev.
We gotta give him a couple revs.
We gotta give him a couple of revs. It ain't the RT, but this shit loud. That's a quick little reveal of a cat delete on my Scatpack. If you guys are running everything I've done to the car so far, I did a whole bunch of cosmetic shit, cat delete, and a mid-muffler delete. That's it. As of right now, my check engine light is on, but it will turn off. It comes on and off like whenever it feels like it. That's how it was on my RT when I took the cats off. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive, probably for like 5-10 minutes, and then we go on the video, man. If y'all still in tune, if y'all still watching this video right now, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned because at the end, it will be a banger POV drive. And we're getting ready to start right now, so let's get to it. Boom. Nah, bro, this idle is crazy, though. The idle sound like a motherfucking cat. You already know the drill, man. Track mode type shit. We already on a highway. We're not wasting no time today. Like I said before, the check engine light is on because it will come on occasionally. It wants to come on now, but it's gonna end up turning off. In my next couple POV drives, it'll be off. You'll see. Right now we're gonna give y'all a little 5-10 minute POV drive. Like I said before, it's not gonna be crazy long. And yeah, stay tuned to the end, y'all. You're already halfway through. You're already 75% through the video. Y'all might as well just stay into the end at this point. Leave a like too. This is a banger. My shit sound crazy right now. I ain't gonna lie. Cat delete type shit. Oh my god, why does it shift like that? My god. Y'all hear this John, bro? What the fuck? Shit loud. my God. I know a lot of y'all gonna say this is the cheap way of doing it, but I'm gonna eventually get headers, so I don't really care how I do it or how it's done. I don't care what you think about it. So I could have just got mid pipes and spent $400 on mid pipes, but I'm gonna just get headers and like the cats for the headers. So this is just like a little experiment, because I haven't seen any Charlies that gutted their cats out. I haven't heard any in person, so it's kind of like just a little fuck around type shit. It sounded real good though, I'm not gonna lie. Shit drawing, bro. Not too much traffic, so I can't really cut up like that, but at least y'all get to hear my catless Dodge Challenger. I was getting ready to say Charger, but see, I'm so used to saying Dodge Charger RT and shit, bro. At least y'all get to hear my Dodge Challenger. Feel me? I do have my front bumper off right now due to some personal reasons. Y'all gonna have to find out in later videos. I mean, it's quite obvious, but I have my front bumper off right now. So y'all might hear a little bit of flapping and shit in the front or in the video. Sucks. I really want to cut up, but I can't because barely any traffic. Ain't nothing you can do. We're gonna go a little bit longer with the POV. And then we're gonna drop another one in a few days. Damn, something flopping in the front. That don't sound good. downshifts, bro, like, they making people move out of the way. Oh my God. That fluttering noise is pissing me off in the front. Bro, literally the downshifts are moving people out of the way, bro. Literally moving people out of the way. Matthew got me right, man, on Gut My Cats. I'm glad Matthew did this for me. This shit sounds crazy. Oh my God, hold on, yo, hold on. Oh my God, yo, hold on. Oh, shit. Yo, hold on. Nah, this shit is drunk. This shit is drunk. This shit is drunk. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. Big 392 coming through. Move out of my way. He gonna move, watch. I bet you he gonna move. Let me downshift. I guess little buddy not. Oh yeah, he is. Told y'all. I cleared this whole lane out. Clear this whole lane out. They got Lord Bender acting bad. Catalytic 392 Charlie. Oh my God. Alright, y'all, I can't really do too much here. I was gonna, try to hit my top speed, but on YouTube you can't do those federal things, so there ain't really that much traffic for me to actually cut up. But y'all got a little 5 to 10 minute POV drive from your boy Lord Bender. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, because a lot of y'all do not know when these bangers be dropping, and y'all need to know. So once again, if you're wondering about my check engine light, the check engine light is on because it comes on randomly and turns off due to my O2 sensors being in spacers. So once it adapts to where it's at, then it should be fine. I guess it'll turn off because it happened to my RT too. But anyways, I'm gonna catch you on the next video, man. It's your boy Lord Bender, or the lorShift, or lorScat, and we out. Boom.
Simple as that.